in the last video, we learned how to work our first row of half double crochet, and we're ready to move on to our second row. But before we do that, I just want to take a moment to show you how to count your stitches when you're working a half double crochet, because it's a little different than what I taught you when we were working our single crochet. Now remember, with single crochet, each of those V's counted as a stitch, and the same holds true for half double crochet. Now we started with a chain of 9, and I know that there's going to be 8 half double crochet there, but let's just count and double check counting these V's. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So where's that 8th stitch? Well, if you remember, at the beginning of your first row of half double crochet, I had you miss those 2 chains at the bottom. Now oftentimes, there's always exceptions to every rule, but oftentimes with your taller stitches, that chain at the beginning of each row counts as your first stitch. So instead of counting by looking at the top, we're going to turn our work and we're going to look at the side. And we've got that marked stitch there, that chain, so we're going to count that. 1. If you pull your work, you can see where that next stitch is. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So we've got our 8 half double crochet, and we're ready to move on to the second row